Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. I hope you're having a great week, guys, because Friday, the Federal Reserve Chairman's speech is coming. A very important event on the market, as you know. Traders are waiting to see what he says, what he has to say, and to give us a little bit more clue about what's going on with in terms of the Federal Reserve monetary policy. US dollar is ignoring the Federal Reserve plan about cutting the government bond purchases. They announced it last week. What does that mean? Simply, the Federal Reserve is printing money and buying government bonds, simply issued by the Treasury in the United States. That's how they actually funded the government projects. But this one right now is not happening. The opposite is not happening. They announced they're gonna stop buying these government purchases. Simply, they have to cut the money supply, which they announced not going to do. So practically speaking, that's why the US dollar is still getting weaker and weaker in the last couple of days. So we have existing and new home sales. They're growing green on Monday and Tuesday, which is, despite the Delta concerns, it's pretty surprising because people are buying like crazy still, homes, real estate in the United States, and this is usually showing green economy going up, everything is developing well, but I'm not quite sure this is as it is, but let's take a look. Just wait and we're gonna see. Crude oil gets up after a knockdown. Very, very interesting. We're gonna take a look in about a minute. But investors, inventories. We've been waiting the crude oil inventories today, Wednesday, 12:30 p.m. GMT. Thursday, tomorrow we have initial jobless claims. Important event on the market about the labor market still under pressure because simply still there is a lot of unemployment in United States. The unemployment rate it gets better, but still there is a lot of room to grow. Friday we have, as we just said, Federal Reserve Chairman speech, Powell. It's gonna be interesting. So let's take a look what we got on the charts. Euro US dollar here bouncing back from the support 1.17, false breakout on the bottom, and 50 60 pips away from the support. We can see slight test of the support level, then bounce back and getting up to 1.18 35. Let's see what's gonna happen until then. So I just would wait because the Euro US dollar could be a very nice one for trading. GBP US, such a recovery, guys. 100 pips from the support level. Whoever taken this definitely made very good profit. So I'm super happy for those who actually spot the GBP USD buy trade on the support round number 1.36. It was pretty simple and clear trade. Australian USD, just take a look what's going on. Usually we're in a very strong uptrend. Some people are asking me, isn't that a downtrend? Yeah, guys, it could be considered as a downtrend. Just bear in mind that Australia is having, and New Zealand also, I'm just gonna repeat it, is having pretty few cases on the in terms of COVID-19. So this could be very big benefit in the future in terms of economic growth, and that's why careful by taking short trades on the Australian and US. This is because of the pressure between China and US. Australia and New Zealand are pretty big business partners of China, so that's why the Australian and New Zealand dollar are struggling right now, even with declining US dollar. So 0.7244, this could be very nice opportunity soon. Just pay attention on it. Not right now, but definitely could be very good one. Exactly the same situation with New Zealand US dollar. Even here the situation is even more clear because we have round number 0.69 we would say this is a false breakout on the support, getting back immediately almost above the support level. Resistance, very strong resistance on 0.9440 69, sorry, 42. This level here where exactly the price is standing. So careful by taking any buy trades here because it can uh, drop slightly to the downside. So careful just by taking any buy trades on the New Zealand USD, but it's becoming clear. USD, Canadian. I'm going fast on the crude oil because crude oil is waking up after this drop, guys. We talked about $12 per barrel. Whoever taking this short trades, I did it personally. I've been waiting for to short crude oil for quite some time, shouting out so many times. So for those who taking the crude oil short trades, very well done. And what we have, we are in a very uptrend, absolutely strong uptrend, guys. Don't get me wrong, this is complete uptrend. So I'm taking against trend trades just because the price got very high, much higher than the pre-pandemic levels, and this is quite obviously good reason to take short trades on the crude. So 67.16 is the current price of crude. We can see it's just touched almost the resistance level, 67.93, 68 round number. Very strong resistance level, guys. We can see further drop to 59.80, trying to to recover 55.8 dollars per barrel for 2 days. As you can see, pretty similar to this recovery. Definitely can see one more push like this one here. It's not a must to see it because anyway here we have very strong resistance, but in this case we didn't have so strong resistance a few weeks ago, so pretty possible to see the price going down again one more time. Careful with the shorts, guys, because still the crude is very like unpredictable at this stage. Going directly to USD Canadian, guys. I mean, I have nothing to say. Just it was so obvious. We have a downtrend. We got momentum 1.2836 here. Very quick reversal and the holy moly, 240 pips drop. This is big for 2 days. This definitely it is big, and definitely whoever taken it, it it transforms to very good profit, especially one lot size. We talked about $2,400 for 2 days. Very high volatility on the USD Canadian, of course, caused by the crude oil and the weakness of the US dollar. USD remains weak, so absolutely this was very clear with the resistance level here, around 1.2850. USD Canadian was simply obvious. USD Swiss, one of my favorite currency pairs, as you know, is going kind of crazy and unpredictable. If you take a look the bigger picture, what 0.9143 the current price of the New Zealand of the USD Swiss. Nothing much to talk here because simply we don't have key levels staying near the current price. USD Swiss could test 0.92 or just going straight to 0.90. I would wait to see one of these levels before I take any trades. For now, I'm not touching the USD Swiss. And USD Japan, absolutely similar like USD Swiss, even worse. Because if you take a look, yes, USD Japanese is in a very strong downtrend, but it's pretty common to see the USD Japanese behavior doing such a price action as it is in front of you. We have an uptrend within a downtrend. Right now is going within a range. Just the traders are waiting to see which direction the USD Japan is going to take. So it's crucial to get out of these boundaries 109.37 and 110.70 around this range. We have to get out from here, and then we can make even deeper analysis. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. This is it for this week. Enjoy the week, enjoy the weekend, of course. Have fun. Don't forget as much as you can, considering the situation out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to support us. Share us and like us on the social medias. If you want to reach me, you know how to do so. Have a very profitable week and expect my video on Monday. Bye bye.